Every woman wears a mask. The version of yourself you present to the world, composed, reliable, contained. The version that gets things done, that shows up, that performs. The professional version, the mother version, the wife version, the responsible version. The version that doesn't take up too much space, that doesn't ask too much, that doesn't want too much, that doesn't feel too much. You have been wearing that mask for a long time, and you are very good at it. But I want to show you something I found in a Belgium garden on an ordinary summer day, and that reminded me that there is another version of you, waiting quietly and patiently for permission to come out. You go to the Jardin d'Anvoi, expecting a garden, and it is one of the most beautiful Baroque gardens in Belgium. Ancient fountains, still water, summer light on white stone. And then between the hedgerows, you see them. More than 110 Venetian carnival costumes, every single one handmade, every single one completely different, and not one face visible, ever. They come here every year, from Venice through Belgium, then to Italy and France, a journey made entirely of devotion, of months of patient work, of the absolute refusal to make anything ordinary. Standing among them, you feel something you rarely feel, completely, wonderfully undone. The Venice Carnival understands something that the rest of the world maybe has forgotten, that behind every mask is someone freer, someone bolder, someone who has always known exactly who she is and has been waiting quietly and patiently for permission to show it. Your desire is not complicated. You simply want to be seen as you actually are, not who you are required to be, but who you are when nobody is watching. The version that comes out in certain places, at certain moments, when something beautiful finally gives you permission. The carnival mask gives that permission once a year. Your scarf gives it every morning. This is what permission feels like. You are wearing 2 Ralufineart pieces that day. The exotic pearl scarf on your back, a blue asymmetric neckerchief at your wrist. It gives you back the version of yourself you leave at home most mornings, the version that doesn't perform, doesn't contain, doesn't shrink, completely yourself. One piece chosen with complete intention. One quiet act of being completely yourself. Not once a year, not behind a mask, not in a Baroque garden in Belgium. Every single morning, before you leave the house, before the world asks anything of you, and before performing begins. That is the moment the scarf matters most. On an ordinary day, when you open your wardrobe and choose deliberately, quietly, and completely which version of yourself you will carry into the world that day. Every year they travel from Venice through Belgium to France to Italy and then home. A journey made entirely of handmade beautiful things, worn with complete intention and carried with complete devotion. You don't need to travel to Venice. You don't need a carnival. You don't need a mask. You need one piece, chosen with the same devotion and worn with the same intention. One quiet daily act of being completely yourself. You were always there, behind the mask, waiting. I'm Ralu, the founder of Ralufineart. If today resonated and if this feels like a space where you belong, subscribe. I'm here every day, talking about elegance, intention, and the quiet art of dressing like you mean it. The link below takes you to the collector's choice. 10 silk stories, completely free, yours to keep. And whatever you wear tomorrow, begin with one true thing.